Now let's talk about paper 2. Okay, 2022 A-level math. Okay, first questions. 4 marks only. They say that use substitution, u equals to square root x plus 2 to find integration this thing. So we listen to the instructions. Okay, so we know that u equals to x plus 2, so u squared equals x plus 2. So I'm going to do it quite fast. Dx equals to du 2 du 2u du. So the original term become, okay, u squared minus 2 times divided by u times 2u du. Correct? So this can cancel off. So then what you get is that, okay, 2u squared minus 4 du. So you get u cubed over 3 2 minus 4u plus c. So just sub it in and you get the answer. 1/2. Okay, so this is 4 marks question. Easy,